Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw something super easy, Bill Cipher from Gravity Falls. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one is super easy. We're just gonna start out with kind of like a rounded triangle. I'm just gonna make it, you can make the corner sharp, but I'm just gonna make it a little bit rounded. Probably look a little bit more interesting. So after those two lines, I'm just gonna round off the corners a little bit, and I'm just gonna come straight across. Alright, so then after the triangle, I guess we can fill in his hat first. So on the top here, I'm just gonna draw one line across, and then turn that into like a really thin rectangle. And then from there we can go straight up, or I'm just gonna give it a little bit of curve. Two lines going up. Goes up quite a bit, and then I'll just round it off, close everything off. Alright, so now let's draw in the big eye in the middle. So right in the middle triangle, maybe slightly a little bit lower. I'm just gonna draw in like a big smiling face right now. Just one curve, and then for the opposite curve on the top. And then for the eyeball itself, it's just gonna be a little egg shape in the middle. And then we can add in the lashes. So let's see, one in the middle, and then there's two more on the sides going out this way. And I'm making it a little bit pointy. Okay, and then from there we're gonna draw his little bow tie here. So just come down in the middle. Just draw one triangle and then one more on the other side. Okay, so now let's draw in his arms. So I'm gonna come out to the side, just kind of draw one curve going all the way down. And then follow this one, same thing here on the inside, and stop short. Just come out for his thumb, so it's gonna be really cartoony, and then just close that off. Alright, and then for this one, it's gonna be, I'm gonna have him in different position here. I'm gonna go up, and then follow this one here. And once you have that, here's his thumb. I'm gonna go out this way. Then for his other fingers, it's just gonna be going out this way. Alright, so super easy, right? Alright, so let's come down here for his legs. Just right around here, just come down. I'm gonna draw one arc. And let's draw on the other side as well. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw, this is gonna be the bottom of his foot. And then now from the top here, curve. Stop early, and then just kind of close everything off. So very simple. Come down, and then just arc and close it off. And then for the brick textures there, I'm gonna switch to my smaller Sharpie, so it's a little bit keeps it a little bit cleaner. So right above, or in between the eye and the bow tie there, I'm just gonna draw one line, and then I'm gonna divide this space in half. So I'm just gonna draw one more all the way across. And then for the brick itself, I'm gonna start in the middle here, one. I'm gonna draw on the top here, two, and then come across, two more lines here. And that is it for a super easy Bill Cipher. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.